Good morning, students. Students, we have done 6 questions of exercise 10.3. Now let's move to question number 7. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor? So there is one room. Suppose this is a room, and we need to cover this room by using carpet. We want to cover it by carpet. Okay. So if we cover it, so we will cover this whole floor of the room. Okay. So if we will find out the area of the room, so we get the requirement of the carpet, means how many square meters of carpet is needed, they are asking. So if we will find out the area, so after finding it, we get an idea that how many square meters of carpet we need. Okay. So first of all, we will find out the area. So length of room is 4 meter. Breadth of room is, wide means breadth. Okay. Breadth of room equals to 3 meter 50 centimeter. Now again this will be 3.5 meter. Okay. 50 centimeter will be converted into meter, then we will get 3.5 meter. So area of room will be length into breadth. So length here is 4, breadth is 3.5. 14.0 meter square. So in this way we get the idea that 14 meter square carpet is needed to cover the floor. Okay, to cover floor of room. Understood this thing? So after finding out the area, we get an idea that how many meter square of carpet we need. Okay. Now question number 8 is, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter laid on the floor. So we need to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Okay. Suppose this is a room and this is the small square of carpet, small part of the carpet. It is a square shape. So it is of 3 meter, means all sides of this is 3 meter. Okay, it is carpeted on the floor. We need to find out the area, remaining area of this room or floor. Okay, so it is and whole floor is of length 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Okay, so if we will find out the area of whole floor, and if we will find out the area of this small carpet, okay, so if we subtract this small area from the bigger one, so we will get the area of this remaining portion. Okay, this was the floor and small carpet is placed here. So if we will find out the total area of this whole floor, and if we subtract this small one, so we will get an idea of this remaining part of this floor. So in this way we will solve this question. Okay, so length of the floor is, this is question number 8. Length of floor equals to 5 meter, breadth equals to 4 meter. So area of floor is 5 multiplied by 4, 20 meter square. Now, square carpet of side 5 meter, 3 meter. Okay. So, area of square carpet will be 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3. So 9 meters square. So area of floor that is not carpeted that is not carpeted will be equals to 20 minus 9, means 11 meters square will be a answer. So in this way we can find the area of remaining portion. Okay. So and question number 9 is 5 square flower beds each of side 1 meter are dug on a piece of land. This are 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of remaining part? So again in this question, first find the area of the land and area of this 5 square flower beds. So area of one, we will solve this question. Okay. Area of length of land equals to 5 meter, breadth equals to 4 meter. So area will be equals to 5 multiplied by 4, 20 meters square. Now 5 square beds of side 1 meter. Okay. 5 square beds are dug. So 5 square beds. So area of 5 square beds equals to 5 multiplied by 1. 1 meter means 1 multiplied by 1. So its area will be 1 only. And there are 5 square beds. So 5 multiplied by 1. So 5 meters square. Area of square beds of side 1 meter equals to 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 meter square, and area of 5 square beds will be 5 multiplied by 1. Area of 1 square bed is 1 multiplied by 1 meter square. So the area of 5 square beds will be 5 multiplied by 1. Okay. 1 meter square. So its answer will be 5 meters square. So area of remaining land will be land equals to 20 minus 5, that will be equals to 15 meters square. So in this way, if whole portion is given, area of whole portion is given and the area of a small portion is given on that. So we can find the area of remaining portion after subtracting that small portion. Understood? So in this way we have done 9 questions of this exercise. Complete your notebook. Okay. Thank you.